In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a background to your Google Slides presentation. A well-chosen background can instantly elevate the look of your slides, making them more visually appealing and professional. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or a creative personal project, this simple technique can make a big difference. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account using your email and password. Being signed in is essential so your work can be saved automatically and accessed from any device. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see all your existing presentations. To start fresh, click on Blank Presentation. If you'd like a pre-designed look, feel free to choose from one of the available templates. Templates are handy because they provide a cohesive style right away. Now that your presentation is open, it's time to add a background. Look at the top menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Image. You'll see several options for sourcing your image. You can upload from your computer, select from Google Drive, search the web, or even use Google Photos. For this tutorial, let's upload an image from your computer. Click Upload from Computer, which will open a File Explorer window. Browse your files to find the image you want to use as your background. Keep in mind that simpler images or solid colors usually work best because busy backgrounds can make text hard to read. Once you've selected your image, click Open. The image will appear on your slide, but it might cover your text and other elements. To fix this, right-click the image and choose Send to Back. This places the image behind all other content, turning it into a true background. Next, adjust the size and position of the image. Click and drag the corners to make sure it covers the entire slide evenly. Take a moment to preview your slide to see how everything looks together. A well-aligned, clean background can make your presentation feel more polished and professional. And there you have it. You've successfully added a personalized background to your Google Slides presentation. Remember, your background is one of the first things your audience will notice. So take the time to choose an image that complements your content. Experiment with different images, colors, and styles, and most importantly, have fun making your slides visually engaging.